How it is, welcome back. We've just stopped off in Cobble's Cafe in Longnor, and we're doing a bit of a loop round back home now. There was a massive rally, so we were going to be going back home in the same direction as the massive bike rally that came through Longnor. I think they were heading to that camping area in Hume. Now here for us, we're heading down to Fanny Bentley area, and then I believe we're going towards Monash, and then from Monash I believe we're heading back home to Macclesfield area. But again, this is one of Dave's mystery tours, so we could end up taking a wrong turn or not. We'll see where we end up. Today I'm out riding with my two mates, Dave and Nick. Dave's leading, Nick's in the middle. Now most of the years, so I can see a sign that said Onecote. Onecote's just a mile away, and Cheadle is 2 miles away. So generally, every year, Nick and myself, we would have gone with the rest of the group called the Apostles. We would have gone over to Ireland or Isle of Man. But again, it's everything this year has been dependent on my sister coming over to the UK, so I've not booked anything. Say for the holiday I had in March, which is scenery as we just passed. What does this sign say? That's finished to Butterton and Conflict Valley. That's letting us through. There's a trail on that. Very much. So today is Sunday the 4th of May. It's 1:45 in the afternoon. And we're riding through just on the edge of the Peak District area. Lovely farming areas, small villages. We have just stopped at Cobble's Cafe in Longnor. Welcome to Onecote. Land. Enjoying the sun in the gardens. It's a pity we don't have smell-o-vision, so you can smell the farm smells that I can. Jump sounds. Telephone box. Generally in the UK, those old telephone boxes have been filled with defibrillators. Trailer. once we turn off into the smaller little naturally twisted turns, I'll start recording again. See you in a bit.